Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you ever wondered why so many Windows users hesitate to switch to Linux, even in 2025? Today I'm diving into the top reasons behind this inertia and what makes the switch so challenging. Despite Linux's power, flexibility, and the constant improvements in user experience, many Windows users remain tied to Microsoft's ecosystem. In today's video, I'll break down the technical, cultural, and practical reasons that make switching tougher than it might seem. First up is compatibility. Many users depend on Windows-only software and games that either lack direct Linux alternatives or require workarounds like Wine or virtual machines, often with mixed results. Imagine trying to run your favorite game or crucial work software, only to hit a snag because Linux doesn't play nice. Next, there's the learning curve. Windows has dominated for decades, and many users find its familiar interface hard to leave behind. The differences in file management, system settings, and even keyboard shortcuts can be a major hurdle. It's like switching from driving a car to piloting a plane, exciting but daunting. Corporate ecosystems and hardware compatibility are other key factors. Many businesses are locked into Windows due to legacy applications, specific hardware drivers, and support contracts, making a full switch to Linux a risky proposition. Think about it. If your office relies on a specific software that only runs on Windows, switching isn't just an inconvenience, it's a potential disaster. Finally, there's perception. Many still view Linux as a techie-only system, and the community's technical jargon can be intimidating for newcomers. This cultural gap further discourages a move away from the familiar. It's like trying to join a club where everyone speaks a different language. So why can't Windows users switch to Linux in 2025? It's a mix of software compatibility issues, a steep learning curve, entrenched corporate dependencies, and lingering perceptions of Linux as complex. But with more user-friendly distributions emerging every day, the gap is slowly closing. What do you think? Have you or someone you know tried switching to Linux? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.